if you relieve from the organization with proper resignation, with proper notice period, usually you will get experience letter and relieving letter, last 3 months pay slip and bank statement, everything. So this is as usual process. This will not impact in your verification. But if you relieve from the organization because of layoff, you need to check additional information before receiving or before relieving from the organization. Most of the cases, people doesn't think about the relieving letter and experience letter if layoff happened in your career record. Okay? And some additional documents or additional informations has to be reflect in your relieving letter, and basically people will not check on that. They are think about the future job, and they will think about how I need to join the future job. Those things they will focus on it. But when you relieve from the organization, definitely you need to focus on some of the points in your experience letter as well as relieving letter. The bank statement and the form 26AS, form 16, nothing will happen based on these parameters. But when you get the relieving letter, you need to focus on some parameters if you are laid off from the organization. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video.